Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bagels without yeast. This updated recipe simplifies the process, ensuring a perfect batch every time. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create warm, chewy bagels using just a few basic ingredients. Forget the long proofing times. These bagels are ready for your favorite toppings in under an hour. Let's get baking. To begin, you'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt for your dry ingredients. The magic ingredient here is plain Greek yogurt, which provides the necessary tang and structure without yeast. Combine these thoroughly, then gradually add a small amount of water until a cohesive, slightly sticky dough forms. This simple combination is the secret to our quick bagels.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these no-yeast bagel tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. On another note, imagine listening to your favorite podcast or recipe instructions while baking. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your dough is ready, divide it into 6 to 8 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a short rope, then connect the ends to form a bagel shape, ensuring a good seal. Before baking, give them a quick bath. Boil the shaped bagels for about 30 seconds per side in water with a teaspoon of baking soda. This step creates that signature chewy crust. After boiling, place your bagels on a baking sheet. For a beautiful golden crust and better topping adhesion, brush them with an egg wash. Now's the time to add your favorite toppings, whether it's sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or everything bagel seasoning. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until they are perfectly golden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.